Ashley. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I've been busy at work. Which reminds me. Right then, that's a little bit more my speed. Let's do this thing. Got a box in the mail today. It's a brand new Rain City Skills product, so I'm super excited to see what's inside. So let's get a knife. Okie dokie, slicing the box open to see what we got. I know y'all want to see a yo-yo. I know y'all want to see a yo-yo. But what about lots of yo-yos? This is the brand new Rain City Skills Puzzle. I've not a clue how many pieces are inside. I don't care. Puzzles should be fun. They should be puzzling. But let's at least get a guesstimate because I'm all about it. Yo. Of course, you have to have a little puzzle poster, so after it's done and you have to put it away again, you can keep the memory forever. Oh, we'll see if I still have all the pieces, but let's see what else is in this box. Right then, the box is already open. So let's figure out what's inside. I can't open it. All right, how about we get the strings off? First off, we have strings. And here we go. We have the Rain City Skills Rebrand. So you can learn all about the story on our Instagram and our Facebook and our website. I'm not gonna go into it. I'm just gonna show it off to you. This is a plastic, beginner style yo-yo. Got our logo in it. Got the Rebrand logo. Let me fix the light. Yeah. Oh, and who is this? It's me! I made this design during the pandemic. I started selling t-shirts on it, and now it's in a Rain City Skills yo-yo for free. So I think a little rebrand is in order. I don't know if I was supposed to take the other one out first, but she's in there now! And of course it comes with the pogs of all our different team members and logos and different yo-yo designs and things like that. So there you go. Hey Jake. Hopefully I didn't mess this up by just shoving my face into the yo-yo, but let's string it up and give it a throw. The results are in. I didn't break it. Check this baby out. If you're looking for a yo-yo where you can do classic beginner tricks, try out your first yo-yo, impress your friends with just some of the basics, this is your guy, and it happens to have my face on it now. If you are interested in either of these products, they're being sold at raincityskills.com, along with a few other online yo-yo stores. You can even get them in a bundle, so you can get both at the same time for a discounted price, and we love discounts, yeah! And if you do pick one up, make sure you tag me in your photos, and maybe we can take a selfie together, just like that. Isn't that a cool idea? I think it's a cool idea. You should tag me. Bye!